Okay, today we're going to talk about inequalities. In one triangle. Inequalities in one triangle. And your first theorem states that the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the measure of either of its remote interior angles. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the measure of either of its remote interior angles. In this triangle here, ABC, angle 1 right here is an exterior angle. Its remote interior angles, remote, like far away, like the remote control for your TV, you can control the TV from far away. Remote interior angles, far away interior angles, right here. So angle 1, the measure of angle 1 is greater than the measure of angle 2. The measure of angle 1 is greater than the measure of angle 3. All right, and that's because the measure of angle 1 is equal to the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3. This exterior angle is equal to the sum of these two angles. Measure of angle 1 is equal to the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3. And since it's equal to the sum of those two angles, it has to be greater than both of them. Everybody okay with that? Good. All right. If one side of a triangle, if one side of a triangle is longer than another side, then the angle opposite the longer side is larger than the angle opposite the shorter side. The picture we draw is going to make more sense than the words. If we draw a triangle, ABC, and let's say that the side lengths are 8, 12, and 19. And you are asked to order the angles from smallest to largest. Order the angles from smallest to largest. The smallest angle, all right, is going to be opposite the shortest side. So since side AB is 8, that's the shortest side, agreed? The angle opposite of side AB is right here. Angle C is opposite of side AB. So the smallest angle is C. The largest angle. Identify the longest side, which is 19. 19 is the length of side BC. And this side BC is opposite of angle A. So angle A is your largest angle. And then there's only one left, isn't there? And that's angle B. Everybody see that? Everybody understand how to determine which angle is opposite of a side. All right? Angle C is opposite of side AB. Angle A is opposite of side BC. And angle B is opposite of side AC. Everybody sees that? Okay. Does that all make sense? All right. This angle has to be the smallest because it opens up the shortest distance, doesn't it? It only opens up 8 units. All right. Angle A has to open up 19 units. It's got to open up from here all the way to here. That angle does right there. This angle, A. It ends here and here. It's got to open up 19 units. It's got to open up the most. So it's got to be the largest. So then there's a converse of this theorem. The converse of the theorem says that if one angle in a triangle is larger than another, then the side opposite the larger angle is longer than the side opposite the other angle. If one angle in a triangle is larger than another, then the side opposite the larger angle is longer than the side opposite the other angle. So again, if you take this triangle, draw a triangle, ABC, and now we're going to insert angle measures. We're going to say that angle C is 30 degrees. And angle B is 80 degrees. Which would leave what measure for angle A? How much? 70, good. And let's do this. Let's change this. Let's switch these two angle measures. Let's make angle B 70 and angle A 80. Who can tell me the shortest side in this triangle? Yes. AB is the shortest side. And why is it the shortest? How do you know? Very good. Because it's opposite of the smallest angle, isn't it? What's the longest side in this triangle? Why? Very good. It's opposite the largest angle. All right, so if you can determine the shortest and you can determine the longest, well, the other one is your middle length side, right? Everybody okay with that? That's why in a triangle, we talked about it last week, if all the sides are the same, if all the sides of the triangle are the same, can you order the angles? I'll ask again. If all the sides of the triangle are the same, can you order the angles by their size, by their measure? Can you order the angles from smallest to largest or largest to smallest? Say again? No, why not? They're all equal, aren't they? And why are all of the angles equal to each other? because all the sides are the same, right? Okay, and vice versa. If you were given a triangle and you're told that all the angles are the same, can you order the sides by their length? No, because they're all the same length. Okay? Pretty simple concept, but really important. Anybody have any questions on that? Inequalities in a triangle? Kind of makes sense, doesn't it? Yeah, it kind of makes sense. All right, so your practice for today. Page 348 and 349. One through 37. Problems 1 through 37. And I'm going to remind you again to, what am I going to remind you to do? There you go. Check focus for homework. All right, short lesson today, but a lot of practice. Short lesson, a lot of practice. Study guide tomorrow, quiz Friday. So, if you're an e-learner, you're excused to go get this assignment completed. We will resume our meetings tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.